Hola, it's Krusty Gabby, and today I'm going to make three cars. They're going to be the same, but they're going to be in different colors. One in greens, one in pink, and one in teal or aquamarine colors. I cut all the pieces in those colors: light green, dark green, light pink, and dark pink, and light teal and dark teal. And also I cut some pieces in black and white. I showing the glue that I use, and I'm doing the eyes. The only thing I changed in the cars was the eye of the owls, but the rest of the car are mostly the same. Here I'm gluing the eyes. In this part I glue the dark green on top of the eye, but when I glue it to the body, to the face of the owl, I figured out it was like get lost in the colors, and I changed it for the light green. I finished gluing the whole owl. I'm going to show here another type of eyes that I made. After that, I'm going to glue the blue owl, well, the teal owl, and the pink owl. When I'm finished with the owls, I'm going to cut the flowers. I'm going to cut grass, clouds in the same colors that I did the owls. In this case, I'm going to show the green. And the only color that I didn't use that much was the branch that I cut all three branches in gray. I was going to cut it in black, but the little feet of the owl get lost. You will see here that I ensembling right now the car that is mostly green, and then I'm going to show how the pink car and the blue car, they all look alike to this one. After I finish doing the car, you see here the teal and the pink, and I add glitter in the black part of the eyes, and I also going to add glossy accent. After that, I'm going to add nubo drops in the center of the flowers, except for the pink color, because I have a pink but it's too light for what I want, and I use the Fabrica Decoro colors to do about the same effect of the nubo drops. After that, I'm going to let this dry and start ensembling my car. Okay, I just cut a panel in black cardstock, and I'm going to glue my car panel in this cardstock and then glue it to my car base. And I'm going to do the same with my 3 cars. After that, I'm going to add 3 little jewels in each car with the corresponding colors, and that will be it for my cars today. Wow, hope you like it. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye until next car.